What's up, everybody? I get a bunch of people ask, what's the weight difference between mild steel and a chromoly roll cage. Did a quick little experiment for everybody. Each tube is about 12 inches, about a foot long, give or take an eighth inch. 083 on the scale is just about 1.5 pounds. Mild steel on the scale, it's close to 2.4, 2.5 pounds. So every foot of tubing that you can replace with chromoly, cutting out mild steel, you're going to save about 1 pound per foot. So there you go. That's what you're looking at. So on a typical 850 cage, you're looking at about 40-ish, 50 feet of tubing, depending on the style of car and how many bars. So there you go, 40, 50 pounds on a 850 style cage. It's worth it if you need it.